So Cedar Valley Kids Childcare Center was an idea from a local HR director here in Waterloo, Iowa. His need was based around the need for quality childcare, but also just the need for access and more quality childcare. He, at the time, had done some research into the turnover in his company, and what he had found out is that 4 staff each month were leaving because of the lack of childcare in the Cedar Valley. We knew that there was a need for childcare. We knew that in this county there was a 2,500 gap from the children in this county and also to the spaces available of childcare. At the same time, we became acquainted with the Iowa Women's Foundation, and we also started to talk to them about their barriers and how we can address this together. We formed a childcare coalition in Black Hawk County. In that time, what we learned was it was much more than just the spaces needed in Black Hawk County. It's also around the workforce. It was also around more training for staff. It was just, it had many levels. We partnered alongside of Grow Cedar Valley, and what we did was we surveyed businesses, community members, childcare providers. We learned in this county there was over $2 million just spent in turnover related to childcare and other family concerns in businesses. So right there we built that case to continue to build this idea. And we decided to open a temporary site in the beginning in order to, what I say, test the waters, right? And make sure that we build our leadership within the childcare center. And we also make sure that we can continue to fundraise for this building that we're sitting in today. In February of 2023, we opened a building with around 20 children at that time. So major partners in this project, I really want to highlight because we would not be here without them today. Really from the beginning, a partner who I've mentioned is the Iowa Women's Foundation. They were one of our first grants that came forward. Another funder would be Community Foundation of Northeast Iowa. We received a $100,000 grant from them. It really motivated us just to continue going. We can't say enough about those local partners because since the beginning they just cheered us on, but also just the importance of how they invested in this community as well and believe in childcare. We received over $2 million from the state of Iowa to finalize this project and move in debt-free, which was a huge piece of that. Other biggest advocate for us was Mayor Quentin Hart here in Waterloo. He was from day one someone that called me continuous to check in, but also connected me to so many people, and I believe he is one of the reasons why we're sitting in this building as well today. After the groundbreaking, a mom came over to me and just said, "Hey, I just want to tell you thank you for all the work that you've done for this project. I need you to know that my family and I moved back from the Twin Cities because this childcare center was being built and I had an opportunity to work at the hospital." And I think after that moment, it really spoke to me to say, this is one of those many reasons we did this project, to support not only the workforce, but communities and families as well. I think the biggest message really formed that group to support you. And while they might not be there every single day as you're banging that drum for this project and you're pushing forward, and also know the true community need, because every community across the state is so different in the need that they have. And the biggest other thing is don't give up.